Hi, my name is Ting Sun. I'm a third-year PhD candidate at Car Lab, and this is my research. And in this research, we try to examine the performance of sentiment features of the management discussion and analysis section of 10K forms for the financial misstatement prediction. And this paper is also a comparison of deep learning approach and the text mining approach for text analysis. And this paper is motivated by the fact that the deep learning has achieved many successes in the area of natural language processing, image recognition, and other areas, but it hasn't been applied to auditing. So we also found that there is no financial specific deep neural network or deep learning model available. On the other hand, the text mining approach is a popular approach, and this approach basically use a back of words method, and this back of words method we have some financial specific dictionary. But actually, this method is a little bit simplistic because it just simply calculate the frequency of each type of word within a document. So we want to do a comparison of these two models. And this paper contributes to the existing literature by demonstrating the application of deep learning for extracting the linguistic feature of text data, and we do a comparison of two different approaches, and it provides evidence that the sentiment feature of the MD&A section can be used as a predictor for financial misstatement prediction. And here is a summary table for these two approaches in this paper. In this paper, the deep learning approach will use deep neural network and the linguistic analysis. And for the text mining, we use back of words method. And the rationale is that for deep learning approach, it can automatically understand the overall meaning of the entire document. However, the text mining just calculates the percentage of each type of word within the document. And there is no pre-processing steps needed for deep learning, whereas for text mining, we need 4 steps of data pre-processing. And the tool we are using for deep learning is the IBM Watson Alchemy Language API. And here for the text mining, we use Lauren and McDonald's word list. And this word list is designed specifically for the 10K analysis. But the API tool is not a financial specific tool. So for the sample, we have more than 30,000 MD&A text documents, and among which we found that there are more than 30% of firm years they have financial misstatements. And the dependent variable equals 1 if there is a financial misstatement, and it will cause a financial restatement in the future, and 0 otherwise. As dependent variables, we use both sentiment score obtained from deep learning approach and from text mining approach respectively in 2 different models. And we also control a list of financial variables as used by existing literature. And for the prediction model, we use a decision tree to do the prediction. And so we have 2 data mining prediction models. The first model is use text mining based sentiment score. The second model we use the deep learning based sentiment score. So this is the only difference between 2 different models. So here is the preliminary result for these 2 models. As you can see from the table, the overall accuracy of model 1 is for the test data set is about 63.64%, and model 2 is better than that. And model 2 also has lower type 1 error rate, but model 2 has a little bit higher type 2 error rate. And for other measures, we can tell that the model 2 outperforms the model 1. And but model 2 is based on our deep learning approach, and this approach is not designed for financial specific text. But in the future, if we can develop a model, use financial specific text as our training data, this percentage can be increased a lot. So to conclude, the preliminary result shows that the sentiment feature of both models, they have some predictive power for the financial misstatement prediction. And generally speaking, the deep learning model outperforms the text mining based model. So we hope that in the future we will add some more feature like the emotion scores to both of these two models, and we hope to see some great improvement for both of these two models. That's all. Thank you.